red. It's all red, little one.
That didn't work.
There we go.
Just 1 second, okay? That didn't work either.
What didn't work?
Your hands are going a mile a minute in front of her. Okay. 1 second, okay?
For me?
Yeah.
Oh.
For you. Okay.
Thank you.
It's a deepy bath.
Get that foot back in there. You are very, very dirty. You are very, very grubby. Very grubby little lady.
Came out pretty good. Dee Dee. Dee Dee.
Right, let's
She
get.
ain't too upset about it.
Well, I think I got a good temperature here. Let's get those goopy eyes, okay? Goopy eyes.
Goopy.
There you go.
Look at how nice. Don't you? You're gonna feel like $1,000,000 now.
There we go. Nana would like to hold the towel. Hold it like this. There we go, little one. Yeah, we'll wrap you up nice and warm.
Oh boy.
There you go.
Look at you now.
How's that feel?
Whoa, that was a little burpy.
She can not poop for long enough to get this diaper. Let's go get her a new one, even though she didn't pee in this one. Just so it's nice and dry.
Look at Grandpa. Hi, Grandpa. I'm all clean. I'm all clean now. Didn't cry much.